Hello student, today we will continue our lesson number 7, jerks and mug, and today is our third session of this chapter. Okay, now see the first question, find the volume of water in each of the cans shown below. Now as I explained you what is the volume. Volume means the space occupied by the water or any liquid in the can or any container. Okay, so see, question is that we have to find out the volume. See, there is a two cans, this one and this one. The capacity of first can is liter. Capacity means how much water, how much liquid can be filled in this can. So the capacity of this can, it is 5 liter, and see this can, the capacity of this can is 500 milliliter. Now this is the can of liter and this is milliliter. Now see, we have to find out the volume. First of all, see the first can. See, here's water. Now where's the water level in this can? See, it is pointing on the 4 liter. So we will write here 4 liter, and see this is the milliliter can. So see, here's the water level is on 200 milliliters. That means 200 milliliter. When we write liter and milliliter, we can't add it. We have to write together in liters and milliliter. So the volume of this cans first is liter, 4 liter, and then 200 milliliter. Now see the next question. See, there are two cans and both cans the capacity of liter. दोनों का कैपेसिटी कितना है? लीटर का है. So we have to find out the first volume of first can. See, where is the water level? It is on 3. So first is 3, but see, here's also in liter. So we will not write in milliliter. We will write here 0, and see the level is on 2. So 3 plus 2 it is 5 liter. So answer will be 5 liter. Okay, because they both are in liter, so we will add it. Then next, all the water is poured from A into B. A can and B can. So all the water, see first of all in A can how much water is there? 3 liter. Okay, now in B can how much water is in can B now? So in B can, as you can see, it is already water in there, it is 2 liter. So in can B, 2 liter water already is there, and in can A, 3 liter water is there. So when we poured all water from A can in B, so it is already 2. And how much water in can A? Already it is 3 liter when we poured. So 2 plus 3, इसमें already 2 liter है, और जब हम A में से 3 liter water इसमें डाल देंगे पूरा, see all the water, पूरा का पूरा वाटर इसमें डालेंगे तो 2 लीटर तो है ही, और 3 लीटर विल बी एडेड. सो 2 plus 3, the water is in can A, the water is in can B, 2. 3 plus 2 it is 5 liter. Okay, now see how much water is in can B now. Can B में कितना water अब रहेगा? So 3 plus 2 5 liter. So we have to show the water level on can B. It will be pointing on 5 liter. Then question number 3. Some water is poured from can A into empty can B. Some water, not all. See how much water in can A? It is 4 liter, and can B it is empty. बिल्कुल पानी नहीं है. So how much water remain in can A? कुछ वाटर पानी, जो कुछ वाटर में सम वाटर, थोड़ा सा वाटर कैन ए में से कैन बी में डाल दिया गया है. सो पूरा नहीं डाला गया है. सो कैन ए में कितना वाटर अब बचेगा? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी हाउ मच वाटर वी पोर्ड इन कैन बी. सी 1 लीटर. 1 लीटर. सो हियर इज ऑलरेडी 4. तो 4 में से 1 लीटर हम इसमें डाल देंगे तो कितना बचेगा? 4 minus 1, 3 लीटर. 4 liter. 4 liter in can A. When we poured in can B, it is 1 liter. So 4 में से 1 हम minus करेंगे. How much water remain in can B? Okay. So how much water remain in can A? Can A में कितना water बचेगा? तो 4 minus 1, 3 liter. So we have to show the water level on can A, 3 liter. Now, how much water in can A? 3. And how much water in can B? 1. So 3 plus 1, 4 liter. See, it is already 4 liter are there and here empty. So when we put 1 liter, तो यहाँ पे 1 liter हो जाएगा and here will be 3 liter. Okay? Okay, now student, we will solve word problem. So first question is, a packet containing 1 liter 350 milliliter of milk is poured into a pen. A pen means one pen. Another packet containing 1 liter 650 milliliter of milk is poured into the same pen. उसी पेन में वापस से वो another packet means next packet का जो milk है उसमें डाल दिया गया. How much milk is there in the pen? Now read it again. A packet containing 1 liter 350 milliliter. एक पैकेट के अंदर जितना मिल्क है 1 liter 350 milliliter जो है वो एक पेन में डाला. Then another packet जिसकी कैपेसिटी है 1 liter 650 milliliter of milk is poured into the same pen, उसी पेन में. So how much milk is there in the pen? उस पेन में टोटल कितना मिल्क हो गया? तो milk of one packet plus milk of another packet. When we add it, we will get the total milk. So first of all, when we add liter and milliliter, we will write like this. Then first 1 liter 350 milliliter. What is this? This is the milk of one packet. Milk of one packet. Then next 1 liter 650 milliliter. 1 liter 650 milliliter. Now what is this? Milk of another packet. Milk of another packet. Now add it. Start with ml means milliliter. 0 plus 0, 0. Now 5 plus 5, 10. 0 will be here and 1 will be carry forward. Now 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 0 will be here and 1 will be carry forward. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 liter. So answer will be total milk. Now see, what is the question? Question is, how much milk is there in the pen? So 3 liter milk is there in the pen. Okay. Now we'll solve the next question. Farhan bought a 300 milliliter cold drink bottle and drank some. पहले तो 300 milliliter का cold drink का bottle लिया, then उसमें से थोड़ा सा पी लिया. Now only 135 milliliter remain in the bottle. अब 135 milliliter bottle में cold drink रह गया. So how much of cold drink has he consumed? उसने कितना पिया? Consumed means कितना उसने drink किया. So first of all, read it again. Farhan bought a 300 milliliter cold drink bottle. A bottle means one bottle. 300 milliliter की cold drink की एक bottle उसने purchase की. Then how? Now only 135 milliliter remains. Remains means उस cold drink की bottle में इतना milliliter cold drink बच गया. In the bottle, how much of cold drinks has he consumed? Consumed means उसने कितना पिया. So what will we do here? Total capacity of bottle is 300 milliliter and total capacity means total volume. Volume भी बोल सकते हैं because bottle के अंदर कितना cold drink भरा हुआ है, that is called volume. Okay, so 300 milliliter is cold drink in the bottle. So first of all we will write liter, milliliter. Here 300 milliliter, so we will write here milliliter because liter is not here, so we will write here 0. Okay, now 300 milliliter, what is this? Farhan bought cold drink. Farhan cold drink. Okay, then after after this 135 milliliter remains. So 135 milliliter remains in bottle. Cold drink remains in bottle. Then question is, how much of cold drink has he consumed? उसने कितना पिया? So we will do here subtraction so that we will get the answer. Okay. Now we'll see here 0 and here 0. So we can't do subtraction here. So we have to take borrow from 3. So we will cut here and we will write here 2. Then this 1 will come here and here will be 10. Okay. Then when we give 1 here, so here will be 9 and here will be 10. 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 3, 6, 2 minus 1, 1. Okay. 165 milliliter cold drink Farhan drank. Okay, now we will write answer. How much of cold drink has he consumed? Who is he here? Farhan. So Farhan has consumed 165 milliliter cold drink. Next, in a boarding school, 525 liter of milk is consumed in a day. How much milk is consumed in 7 days? Okay. Read it again. In a boarding school, 525 liter of milk is consumed. Consumed means उसका use हुआ. So, in a day, one day में 525 liter milk use होता है या हुआ. How much milk is consumed in 7 days? So we have to find out the milk consumed in 7 days. We have the information of 1 day and we have to find out the information of 7 days. So here's value of 1 is given and value of more than 1 is asking. So we will do here multiplication. So when we do the multiplication, we will write statement. Then first, 1 day 525 liter milk consumed. Then, so in 7 days, how much milk consumed? Value of 1. 1 day 525 liter milk consumed. So value of 1 is given and value of more than 1 is asking. So here we will do multiplication. 525 liter multiplied by 7. 525 liter multiplied by 7. Now we'll start from the ones place. 7 5s are 35. 5 and 3 will be carry forward. Then 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3 17, 7 will be here and 1 will be carry forward. Now again 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 1 36, 3675 liter. So answer is 3675 liter. Now write down answer. How much milk is consumed in 7 days? So 3675 liter milk is consumed in how many days? 7 days. Okay. Now, next. Seema uses 427 milliliter of cooking oil in a week. A week means 1 week. Okay. How much cooking oil does she use in a day? So, read it again. Seema uses 427 milliliter of cooking oil in a week. A week means 1 week. 1 week means 1 week. How many days are there in 1 week? In a week there are 7 days. So, 1 week there are 7 days. So Seema uses 427 milliliter of cooking oil in 7 days. How much cooking oil does she use in a day? In a day means one day. 7 days में वो 427 milliliter cooking oil use करती है, and we have to find out the cooking oil she uses in one day. Okay? So here we will write statement. Now, in 7 days, 427 milliliter cooking oil she used. In 7 days means 1 week. In 7 days, 427 milliliter oil she uses. Then, so in 1 day, how much cooking oil she uses? Now here, value of more than 1 is given and value of 1 is asking. So, when value of 1 is asking, we will do their division. So, here we will do division. 427 milliliter divide by 7. Now, divide here. 427 divide by 7. Okay. Now, we'll see the first digit. It is 4. It is the first step. So, it is greater than 7 or less than 7. It is less than 7. So, we can't divide by 7. So, we have to take one more digit. So, here will be 42. Now, take the table of 7. In 7 table, 42 will come or not? Yes, 42 will come. But in how many times? It will 6 times. So, 7 6 are 42. Now, 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Now, next digit will be down, 7. Now, take the table of 7. In 7, 7 will come how many times? In table of 7, 7 will come 1 time. 7 ones are 7. Okay. Now, is the remainder and is quotient. And there is the answer, 61 milliliter. Okay. Now, answer. How much cooking oil does she use in a day? So, Seema uses 61 milliliter oil, means cooking oil, in a day. In a day means in 1 day. Okay. Next question. A drum with a capacity of 8 liters is filled with 3 liter 464 milliliter of oil. How much more oil can be filled into the drum? Let us read again. A drum with a capacity of 8 liter. Capacity means how much water, how much oil can be filled in a drum. Now, filled with 3 liter, filled with 3 liter 464 milliliter of oil. Now, I will explain you by the diagram. Now, see, it is a drum. Okay. Now, the capacity of drum is 8 liter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. What is the meaning of this? It is the capacity means itna oil isme aa sakta hai. But how much oil filled in drum? 3 liter 464. It is in here, 3 liter 464. Okay. Now, how much more oil can be filled into the drum? As I explained you, the difference in capacity and volume. Capacity means how much oil can be filled in the drum. कितना आ सकता है? Okay. And volume means कितना भरा हुआ है, कितना space covered हो चुका है. So, इतना oil इसके अंदर है 3 लीटर. 3 लीटर के बाद इतना and इतना आ सकता है. Okay. So, you know, as now you understood now what is the difference between capacity and volume. Now, how much more oil can be filled? और कितना आ सकता है इसमें और कितना हम भर सकते हैं. So, ये space जो है वो पूरा खाली है, तो इतना हम भर सकते हैं. So, total capacity minus how much oil filled in the drum, 3 liter 464 milliliter. Okay. Now, liter, milliliter. Now first of all we will write the capacity of drum. It is 8 liter. 8 liter. Capacity of drum. Then filled with 3 liter 464 milliliter. This is volume. कितना इसमें oil भर चुका है. So 3 liter 464 milliliter. It is the volume of drum. So we will write here oil filled in drum. We can write here as a volume. Okay. Now we will do here subtraction. Now we'll start from the ones place. Here 0, 0 and 0. So we can't take subtraction here. So we will take borrow from 8. Cut here and write here 7. Now see, यहाँ पे 7 से यहाँ पे हम 1 borrow देंगे. So here will be 10. But we have to give borrow here also. So here will be 9. Then here will be 10. So again we have to give borrow this one. So here will be 9 and here will be 10. So 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 4, it is 5. Now 7 minus 3, 4. 4 liter 536 milliliter oil can be filled into the drum. More oil can be filled. Now write the answer. How much more oil can be filled into the drum? So 4 liter 536 milliliter more oil can be filled into the drum. Okay. Next, a tank has 80 liter of water. Every day 4 liter 440 milliliters of water consumed. A tank has 80 liter of water means volume of a tank is 80 liter. Volume means इसमें इतना पानी है. Then 4 liter 440 milliliter of water consumed every day. Every day means one day. What will be the volume of water in the tank after a week? A week means 1 week. In 1 week, how many days are there? You know, in 1 week, 7 days. So, after 1 week, we have to find out the volume of a tank. So, first of all, we'll see in 1 day, 4 liter 440 milliliter of water consumed. Okay. So, we will write in 1 day. Now, here, in 1 day, 4 liter 440 milliliter water consumed. Then, so in 7 days. So, in 7 days, how much water will be consumed? Yeah, how much water consumed? Okay. So, what will we do here? Value of 1 is given and value of more than 1 is asking. So, we will do here multiplication. 4 liter 440 milliliter multiply by 7. 4 liter 440 milliliter multiply by 7. Now, we'll start from the ones place. 7 multiplied by 0, 0. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 2, 30. Then 0 and 3 will be carry forward. Now, 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3, 31. 31 liter, 80 milliliter. So, 31 liter, 80 milliliter. Now, we'll write first the volume of a tank. It is 80. Then, water in tank means volume of tank. Now, how much water consumed in 7 days? 31 liter 80 milliliter. 31 liter 80 milliliter water consumed. Okay, now what will we do? See, we will do subtraction. इतना वाटर उस टैंक में था, 7 days के बाद में इतना वाटर यूज हो चुका है, अब कितना बचा है? सो टू फाइंड आउट वी हैव टू डू सब्ट्रैक्शन. We'll start from the ones place. 0 minus 0, 0. Now we have to take borrow because 0 minus 8 it is not possible. So we have to take borrow from 8. Okay. Now here will be 7, here will be 9, here will be 9 and here 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 0 it is 9. 9 minus 1, 8 and 7 minus 3, 48. 48 liter, 920 milliliter. Water in tank now. Now answer. What will be the volume of water in the tank after a week? So volume of water will be 48 liter 920 milliliter. 48 liter 920 milliliter. Now students, we have complete our lesson number 7.